Welcome back everyone. In today's quick tips video we will discuss the new heat press recommendations feature of Sawgrass Print Utility. When working in Print Utility, the application will now conveniently display the recommended heat press settings for the type of project you are doing. These settings will appear at the bottom of your print preview and will change anytime you update the product section of the job settings. For example, when I choose cotton, the time, temperature, and pressure automatically adjust to the recommended settings for pressing cotton materials. If I switch to ceramic, the numbers then adjust to what is recommended for a ceramic project. Please keep in mind that these settings are recommendations only. We advise you to refer to your press's instructions for specific settings. If you no longer need to see the recommended settings, you can collapse the display box at any time. That's all for today. See you next time.